2, 1.
Just win.
There you go. Use your hand. Use your knee. There you go. Oh, shit. Careful with your wrist. If it hurts, let it go. Don't hurt your wrist. Just sacrifice for it.
Thing on my face, please.
Uncross your feet. There you go. 30 seconds. Hold position on him. Oh, he's scarfing you. 15 seconds. Pull him over.
Right leg up to his head.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.